This short clip demonstrates how to buy shares of Battalion Oil Corp and walks through the essential steps. Battalion Oil Corp is an energy company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BATL, and this is an educational overview, not investment advice. You need a broker account to trade, and we use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BATL to locate Battalion Oil Corp. Confirm you select the NASDAQ-listed BATL equity to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and a recent price chart. Verify the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker BATL to confirm you are on the right page. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details carefully, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next available session. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it accepts the order. After execution, your BATL position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to visit the platform.